This is a plot twist I didn't see coming. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to my channel and welcome to Wisconsin. Wisconsin is still home. I miss my friends. I miss my family. Yes, definitely miss Wisconsin. It's a lovely 0 degrees right now, and that's not including the wind chill. I have a feeling my accent is gonna be real thick in this video. Welcome to Wisconsin.
Life is a winding road.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. It feels very weird to start this video how I normally do, but I just didn't know how to start this video. Because guys, I am moving. This probably feels like it's coming out of nowhere, and yeah, it came out of nowhere for me as well. Jordan and I have decided to move back, well for me, move back to my home state of Wisconsin. I am very excited. I'm also very nervous, but I'm very excited to be by my friends and family again. I'm really excited that I get to see my parents more than twice a year. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you know that my husband has been working on a family farm. He has been a beekeeper for the last few years, and over the last 2 years, probably maybe 1 year, we started to realize that that lifestyle was not really sustainable. So earlier this year, Jordan's time at the farm came to an end, and it was truly, truly for the best. I could say more, but we'll leave it at that. So we have been wondering and praying for what comes next. Jordan and I have dreamed of working together. We are entrepreneurs through and through. We come from families that are entrepreneurs, so we knew we wanted to work together if we could. And we finally have our answer of what comes next. So the reason we are moving to Wisconsin is because we are taking over my dad's company. Yeah, my entire life my dad has done embroidery and custom apparel, so we are taking over that. Well, mainly Jordan is taking it over, but if you know anything about being an entrepreneur, you know if one spouse is doing something, the other spouse is gonna be roped in. So I'm gonna be helping as much as I possibly can while still doing my normal content and all of that stuff. Even over the last 5 years, Jordan has definitely helped me with my business of running hair and makeup, answering emails when he can, and helping me juggle everything that I do. So now let's get to the part that you guys are all probably wondering about. My house. Obviously, my, makeovers and DIY projects are why a lot of you started following me. And over the last 5 years, I have poured my heart and soul into this house, and to let it go right now, especially to me when it feels so unfinished, would be such a heartbreak. So our plan is to not sell this house. Our plan is to turn this house into a short-term furnished rental / Airbnb. We're hoping by doing this, obviously that will cover the cost so we can hang on to this property, but by turning it into an Airbnb, I am still gonna have the opportunity to come back to this house once, twice a year, maybe even 3 times a year to continue to chip away at the projects I have planned. So this feels like the best of both worlds. I get to share this property with people, and hopefully everybody loves this house as much as I do, and I get to come back here and still see my vision come to life for what I have planned for this house. And of course, the more projects I chip away at, the cooler and cooler this property is going to become, and hopefully that makes it even more enticing for people to stay here. So we don't have much figured out, but what I do know is that over the next 4 months, I am going to be trying to get done as much as I possibly can with the goal of turning this house into an Airbnb. And I have 1 more month of my husband's help. We decided that the best thing to do is for Jordan to just go ahead and go to Wisconsin and start the process of learning how my dad's company works, while I stay behind because I do have weddings that I have to work here. And then also when I'm not working weddings, I'm going to be chipping away at project after project after project. So I have so many projects to get done, and because I have so many projects to get get done. My goal in this entire process is to hopefully post more often. Typically I post every other week, but now I'm gonna try to post every week. Even if it is a simple video like this where I'm just catching you guys up with everything that is changing. Because as of right now, things are changing daily. It's really fun. And I really want to share this entire journey with you guys. Of course, I'm going to be doing my normal DIY projects. I'm also going to be juggling how to turn my house into an Airbnb, so there's going to be a lot of learning to do there. And of course, I am going to be moving. I am not looking forward to moving my 3 cats. That is not going to be fun, but I am going to be moving. And the other thing that I do know is that when I get to Wisconsin, Jordan and I are going to be renting again, which means I get to do rental-friendly content, which I'm really excited to tackle. I've got so many fun ideas of rental-friendly projects, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to that as well. I am, of course, incredibly excited for all of this change. I'm also incredibly nervous, but Jordan and I already discussed that if we played it safe and we let this opportunity slip away, we would really regret it. We know this is for the best. We also just know that there are a lot of very hard days of work ahead to make all of this happen. But I am very excited. I do trust God, and I know it's all gonna be for the best. So the last thing I wanted to mention before I wrap up this video, right before I left to go visit my friends and family in Wisconsin, and before this whole opportunity presented itself to us, I was working on a bedroom makeover. I am gonna continue to work on that bedroom makeover. For the most part, nothing has changed with my designs. I have made tweaks to the individual projects so that I can just get that bedroom makeover done a little bit quicker and move on to the next project that I have to get done for this Airbnb. My goal in this whole thing is to make this house look as cool as I possibly can, still very much on a budget, but I need to make this cool so that people want to book here. So that is everything. I am moving. There's a lot not figured out, but that is okay. I'm taking all of this change how I always do, one DIY project at a time. So thank you guys for your constant support. I'm so excited to share everything and all of the changes that are about to take place. As always, thanks so much for watching, and let's do this thing. Bye, guys.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.